Welcome. CIS 277 final app presentation. My name is Sir Douglas Dismuke Jr. and my app is called the Tip and Dip Calculator. Tip and Dip is designed for when you're on a date or when you're just grabbing a bite to eat for lunch. Tip and Dip converts your money that you spent on your total meal, times it by 0.2 and then shows you the amount you should tip your waitress or waiter. Well, enough of me talking. Let's see what this bad boy is working with. So when you first open the app, it's gonna prompt you this: welcome to the Tip and Dip Calculator. Enter your meal price and then press enter. So your meal price can be whatever you want it to be. Okay, say you go to McDonald's. McDonald's usually spends probably $15.97. Your meal was $15.09. The tax came up to be $136. The tip is $3.47. Then it's gonna prompt you go again. You press Y if you want to go again. We're gonna press Y this time. It's gonna pop up the same prompt. Say we go to a higher restaurant like Red Lobster or Olive Garden, and we spend $276. Breaks it down from the tax and the tip is different because it's a different price. It's gonna prop you with the go again. We're gonna go ahead and press N for no. It says have a great day. This is the Tip and Dip final project app for CIS 277. Have a great day.